It is a while since I made a video, and we're currently getting some snow. I hope we can do some snow driving with the Agrezza 250 Agrezza this year. I would love to take it out in these conditions, but the neighbors here gonna go crazy. Anyway, the plan today is this, like the handle that's on the back of the Agrezza. Like that, very bad light. I'm gonna get some light here, like that, but lower down more. Yeah, you still probably can't see it. Anyway, it broke off, as you can see. And instead of fixing it, as I thought it was kind of ugly, yeah, made a new one. Custom made by me, welded. I did everything myself. I'm pretty proud of it actually. It looks quite good. If you start looking too close, you can see the paint. It's pretty hard to spray paint when you don't have good light. I did not do it here, but there was pretty bad light where I painted it. So you can see some like, but we're gonna fix it in the summer when we can paint outside better. So I'm gonna install it. I'm just gonna get some light. We're gonna also clean up a bit in here because it's quite messy. So I'm gonna put up some clips here of from the build of this when I made this. So I'm gonna install this back here. So that's it. Tighter fist than what I thought, but it's just for pulling here, and it's very strong. I feel like the color did not really line up, but we could just repaint it later if we want to. It's like 8 bucks. I feel like we could have made this longer so that you could put your foot in it when you want to wheelie, but I'm not a big wheelie guy, so we're skipping that for now. I'm happy with it how it turned out though. It looks really nice. That's it. For this video. Hope you enjoyed it.